Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Travel with Toniann, and today we're going to the newly renovated Fort Clarence Beach located in Portmore. Now, Fort Clarence Beach recently opened after being closed for almost a year. They are now under new management and ownership by Guardsman Group. This is the bathroom area. They have restrooms here for both male and female. I'm gonna go inside and check it out and see what it's about. There's the changing room. I never got a chance to clean it out as yet, but it's pretty spacious. Has a lot of space. Not bad. These are the restrooms. They're pretty large. Let me go in and see what it's about. Stairs here. This is inside the restroom. Very basic. This is the view outside of the bathroom. We have a shower here. You can see up close. So it looks like they have this little area here for entertainment, over there for the bar, some little seats here. We're gonna approach the food area where they sell food, like a food court. Now, the beach is well kept. The only issue I had was the sargassum. I was speaking to the property manager and he says no matter how often they clean it up, it still returns, and they're looking for a long-term solution to get rid of it fully. Not sure if that can happen, but hey, let's see. So the beach for me was well kept. The water was really nice and warm. Not as clear as an Ingril, 7 Mile Beach, but it could work. So I am here at Fort Clarence. They kind of just opened from Guards because Guardsman now own Fort Clarence, so they're kind of doing a little restructuring, making the place look nice. The water is not as clear as Negril. Look at this. It's okay. They just have a little issue here, but it's a really nice place to come outside of Kingston and just to relax and enjoy. I wouldn't really do no deep water diving anything in there, but it's not bad. It's not not bad to get away in the water and just relax. It's really, really hot. It's 11 o'clock now, so it's not bad. So they have somewhere where you can eat. They have a place that you can buy food. They have fish, they have lobster, I believe they have shrimp. Food, they have full restrooms, full changing room. They have a little shower area, so when you come out of the water you can shower. They have lounge chairs, they have tables. Yeah, I would come out here early in the morning if you can. So we got here for 10:30 and we're looking to leave about 2 o'clock and just enjoy the day. It's really, really nice. Not bad. Nice little day to hang out with your family and chill. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? I told you. Where you coming there for? Not too far from Kingston. It's perfect for me. And you can also, for now, carry your own food. People were there with their own food. They came with their family. They played games. People were playing football on the beach. So it's a really nice hangout spot. So this is the fish and festival, and we ordered two of this and the juice. We ordered a grape, Pepsi, and this is some bami and everything. All of this was 5,830. So yeah, so a big fish snapper escovitch, 3 festival. So yeah, this is it. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you want to know more about Jamaican travel activities, that's things to do, see, what to eat, where to stay, please subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss out on my next adventure. Thanks for watching. See you soon.